Yeah. You gotta eat so loud? Kalani got these noodles, y'all, just chomping. Anyway, so happy Super Bowl Sunday. Almost Valentine's Day, y'all. Gonna be heading down back to Damn It Dan's place, cooking it up, watching the game. But before we head down there, we kind of got like a miniature photo shoot style going. So we're gonna head to practice, y'all. Check it out. Not the typical practice, little bit of drumming, whole lot of pictures and videos. Now we gotta cook up some guac. Yeah, it's gonna be that kind of day. Making the guac. First stuff we need, avocados. Finally, the last one. Now I know most guacs are kind of like a blended paste. And yeah, you can smash them up, mush them, blend them, whatever. We're making it kind of chunky style, so cubing it up as we go. That way there's some big chunks of avocado in it. Please, 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 use a butter knife. Won't cut you open. Okay, for real this time, that's all of them. Clean up, make the rest of it. After you got all the avocados cubed up, smushed up, whichever way you want, then we go with green onions. Then the garlic. Whole lot of fresh cilantro. Next we got some fine sea salt. I really wish I measured some of this stuff out for y'all, but nah. Some cumin. Next we got the limes. Now for ingredients, that should be it. Could throw in tomatoes, could throw in a number of things, but keep it as simple today. Even like red onions, could have been good. Now mix it up. Alright. Put it to the test, dog.
It's not getting on my chip, so that's the first problem.
Oh, that good?
Yep.
Alright, cool.
Cold toilet paper.
Let's transfer that. Then to Damn It Dan's. Finally made it down. Finally. Oh. Yeah. Just like every time. A little flat.
Oh shit. Sorry, buddy. You weren't recording that, were you?
In fact. He was recording.
One of them days. I'm still learning.
It's always a work in progress.
You say y'all do that one?
So we stay out here
Menzo.
working on the music every time while they do that. We'll stay working. They do that. So what? Y'all know what Dan got here?
He has some fucking
He has
chicken shit.
Some kind of brat.
chicken bratwurst.
Yeah,
Chicken bratwurst.
Chicken bratwurst.
This is chicken.
On the left side.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
and you wonder why we call him Dan and Dan. Chicken and artichoke,
Yeah.
chicken, spinach.
Right. I always went back to the original.
But-
Jonathan,
yeah.
The original.
Ah! Don't worry about that.
Well, I think
Don't
you can.
worry about that.
You can transpose it, but I didn't upgrade it.
I don't know. We're gonna see.
We didn't allow me.
Oh yeah, it's Super Bowl, y'all. It's game day. So much for staging a shot. I guess. Food's almost done. The mastermind behind some of them pictures y'all just synced. Yeah. Which, by the way, if y'all remember the Christmas video, she indeed has not taken over the channel. But she,
I did remind him to make this video though.
yeah.
He wouldn't have made this if I didn't tell him.
Thank you. Yeah. It's
I
her.
saved the channel.
The views today are because of her, and some really nice pictures as y'all seen. But check this food out.
There's none left.
There's nothing left. Ah.
It's healthy-ish.
Oh, real quick too, on the guac, my bad, I totally messed up. Throw the seed of the avocado in the guac, keeps it from turning brown the next day. Yeah, it does. Joey, Joe. Bruh. Y'all knew that dude was coming through the line. Personally, I kind of wanted the Bengals to take home the championship, but
Yeah,
that's how it goes.
Trying to bring that title to the AFC North again.
Yeah.
Steelers will get it next year.
Oh,
How about,
Joe. Yeah, so now
Tell
we...
Vassler.
Yeah, so now we're just watching these fights. I guess we're gonna wind down the night, y'all. Not too eventful this time. A little bit of music, definitely some good food, but yeah, we all got work tomorrow, man. So till next time, y'all. Thank you for coming through. Peace.